We are covering our sales pages and we are doing sales pages training well in details because people just give sales page template and say, okay, form your sales page. And that is really not fair. So initially we covered how and various kinds of sales pages and how you can use AI creating sales page, and now we are going actually deep into details when to have short and when to have long sales page. And these there are actually a couple of points repeated over here from the initial first training where it covered various kinds of sales pages, where we covered a long, short, video sales page and all kinds of sales pages. But here we are covering only short and long. So I just want you to be very, very profitable. So I just want to give you all the information for you to make more and more conversions and revenue. So that's the idea. So when to do short and long sales page? Because I have come across long sales pages just even for a $17 product, and that was just too much for me. Means basically, first of all, I didn't have time to read all that information posted over there, and it is really not needed. So let's analyze when do we need short and when do we need long sales page. So decision to use a short or long sales page for digital products depends on various factors, including the nature of your product, your target audience, your marketing strategy. Because one of my friends told me that she's so used to long sales pages that her audience just expects long sales page from her. So whatever products she designs, she has to have long sales page. So that is her audience tells her. And here are some guidelines which I'll be telling you, which you can follow for more conversion and more profit. Short sales page. So when the products are not really complex, you can surely have a short and small sales page. For example, if you are selling just a digital invite or digital planners, I have a sister company that is called mynubeginning.com, where I have low ticket products like digital invites and digital planners and ebooks and various things. For that, I really don't need a long sales page. So even when someone goes to that page, that product page is also actually works as a short sales page. So those are actually digital products which are really straightforward and they really don't require a lot of explanation or convincing. So in such cases, short sales pages are perfect, and they are generally low cost and low investment products. Means when I was talking about low ticket products like ebooks, digital invites, digital planners, social media templates, they range from $1 to $99. So anything in that category are generally considered low ticket items. Impulse purchases, because there are so many things actually we buy just by impulse. So I'm talking mainly about the digital products, but even physical products. For example, nowadays, so many sales are going on and so many e-commerce companies are sending their deals and all those things, details about their physical products. And they're not giving long sales pages. Means, for example, if they are selling just sunglasses to you, they are just telling you, hey, these sunglasses, these are the benefits, these are the features over there, and these are like 50-60% off. And people do impulse buy. So short sales pages are really suitable for those kind of products. So these products actually customers generally buy very quickly, and they really don't need much extensive information. For example, if they know the brand, oh, it is a Prada, Gucci, or oh, okay, and still I'm getting 50% off, that's a good deal. Okay, I'll buy. Familiarity with the product. So if your audience is already familiar with your product and it's a well-known solution in the market, short sales pages are really effective. If you have a client who already bought something from you and they know the quality, they have the know like trust factor. So in such cases, short sales pages are really good. Now, for example, if you are buying something from really well-established company, for example, if you're going to Nordstrom's webpage and all. Yeah, means they don't need to have long sales pages. They just give you features and benefits and whatever deal they have. So users will quickly, yeah, it's just a quick reminder of all the benefits and they will buy. Limited budget or time. Many times people create product and they want to deliver it immediately. So at that time, they have time constraints, or they may have even solopreneurs. They have their business built on shoestring budget and they don't have much budget. So, and they may not even have all the capabilities of web development and all. In such cases, short sales pages are perfectly fine. And yeah, you don't need much content creation, and they're very quick to deploy. Means long sales page may take like a 3 or 4 times more time. So instead of that, just a short sales page, you can just put image or videos, some features and benefits, and whatever deal and limited time discounts and all. You can post that, and that's good enough to go. Visual appeal. If you want to emphasize on really visual appeal, in that case, short sales page is really good, because then generally long sales pages, they have a lot of text, and yeah, there are lots of visuals, but generally visuals and text are balanced. But in short sales page, you can put all the emphasis on visual appeal, and those are really good for short sales pages. Now we are going to talk about the long sales pages. What are the long sales pages? So high value and high complexity products. So for digital products that offer extensive value or require more explanation due to their complexity, a long sales page is often necessary. This is common for high-priced e-courses, software, or intricate solutions, or even one-on-one coaching or a limited time small group coaching, those kind of things. People are investing a lot of money, so they want a lot of information, whether it is worth of their time and money, whether they should invest that much or not. So for that, it is better to have long sales page. So better to answer all their questions and objections in advance, so that decision is made. Educational and informational products require generally long sales pages. So if your digital product is designed to educate or inform users, a long sales page allows you to provide in-depth information and convey the value of the product effectively. So we talk about e-courses, and now lots of actually products are coming with the AI prompts, and how you can use AI prompt, or how you can generate AI prompt. For example, I have a product called social media creation using AI prompt, and you can just change the parameter and you can have your content ready in 1 minute. So you don't have to keep on looking at the blank screen and what to write. So just choose the parameter and voila, the content is ready. And that is really high quality product. But right now, it is a really high price product. But right now, I'm giving at a special deal at the low ticket. But any kind of informational e-courses, for example, I have various e-courses on the sales funnel, SEO, email marketing, or quick launch, and imposter syndrome, various those e-courses. People have lots of questions, so it is better to address all their questions and objections, because it is an informational product. So put it on the sales page and let people know what you are going to provide them. Storytelling and engagement. Storytelling is really important, and that is a quite appealing factor nowadays. But hey, if you are selling digital planners or digital invites, generally storytelling is not needed. But if you are selling a really high effective e-course, for example, I just now mentioned about the imposter syndrome, and that's a really delicate subject. So you are going to transform their life. And in that case, storytelling is important, because as a creator, you can say that I experienced imposter syndrome. So I can tell you firsthand that how I suffered and how I overcame. And now I'm passing all that information to you so that you can benefit and you don't have to suffer. Because many times people may not even share that they have imposter syndrome, but they can quietly take that course and improve themselves and get rid of their imposter syndrome. So storytelling is really important, and that comes when you have a long sales page, because then you have a room and you can share your story your background, and how you overcame that challenge and your advantages. So long sales page provides space for storytelling and engagement. You can use it to build a narrative around your product, share testimonials, and address objections. Yeah, objections are always there, and the more the price, more objections. And objections are not actually tumbling block, because they are mainly like self doubt. They think, oh, will it work for me? Whether I'll finish this, whether it work for someone else or not. So all those are actually just means very fair. So objections are not like a really negative things. So don't be scared of the objections. Conversion testing. No, long sales pages, they give you a chance to do the A/B testing. So you can keep on changing the content and you just see which content provides the best. And you can do the A/B testing by various ways. You can do A/B testing just actually in a virtual meeting. You can ask other people's opinion whether this sales page looks better or that, or you can even ask in email. There are various ways you can do A/B testing. So for products with significant price point or complex value proposition, long sales pages allow you to conduct extensive A/B testing and optimization to maximize conversion rates. That's a chance. SEO and organic traffic. In my headlines training, I mentioned that when you are creating headlines, don't create just one headline. Create multiple headlines, at least 10 headlines. You may not use, of course, you are not going to use all headlines. You have to have only one H1. Hey, but you can have multiple H2s and H3s. And you can use those various kinds of headlines at H2s and H3s and various places. So that is a keyword variation. So it is not keyword stuffing. You can put strategically at various places in your sales pages. So it is really good for SEO. So long sales pages can be more SEO friendly because you have more chances to put your keywords at various places. And yeah, because there is more content, there is text, there is more. So it is really good for SEO. So it can attract more organic traffic for your product because, hey, ads are so expensive. Overcoming objections, because here you can have FAQ section and quite extensive one. So you can think of every possible objection you can get. And objection is not just for your product. Objection is even for their self-doubt, or they might be having so many other concerns. So you can create FAQ, and if your audience has common objections or concerns about your product, long sales pages give them chance to read through all those FAQs and get answers for their objections. And yeah, that will create even the know, like, and trust factor. So in practice, the ideal length of a sales page often falls somewhere in between, depending on your specific product and audience. It may not be really long, it may not be just too short. You have to decide what is a balanced sales page for you. You can use a combination of short and long sections to create a balanced and effective sales page. It's also essential to monitor and analyze the performance of your sales pages to see what works best for your particular product and audience. So we are having, yeah, this is the freebie, the sales page. It has everything. It has a template and it has AI prompt. So this is a really good freebie. Grab hold of it and create a stunning sales page and become very, very profitable, because I just want solopreneur to be very, very profitable. Nobody understands solopreneur like other solopreneur. I have been solopreneur my whole life, and then I was bedridden for 1 year. And when I got my bonus life, I just wanted to devote my all the remaining life just to help solopreneurs. And that's why I started blogging, and because I wanted to give free resources, and then my blog started getting lots of traction. So I started creating podcast and YouTube, because I got feedback from people that they loved my blog, but they didn't have time to read. So they preferred a podcast and YouTube. So I started creating that. Then actually I hired VA. My VA creates stunning blogs. Means you should look at my blog. She creates really beautiful blogs. So podcast, YouTube, or blogs, you can get the free information. And also various kinds of digital products, and their price so low, but we are providing every kind of help. For example, we are providing joint community where they can borrow other people's audiences and grow their business, live training, so you can come and ask your question, so your question will be answered. Premium guarantees. If you think that after finishing the course you didn't get the transformation, then hey, we'll handhold and give up to 1 hour of our personal time, which is actually way more than the price you paid for the digital product, and make sure that you will get the transformation. All those means basically you will get the priority podcast promotion. And because solopreneurs generally they cannot afford to hire a PR or a media agency because they are so expensive. So we'll make sure that you will get the visibility and we'll promote your episode on all social medias and even our thousands of subscribers. So we will do everything for your success. And if you think you need any more resources, please tell us and we'll create those, because that's the passion I have. I just want solopreneurs to prosper. Yeah. And if year is not over yet, you can still make 60K in a month and be very, very profitable this year. Yes, you don't have to just wait for the next year to become profitable. You can become profitable just now, this year. Within 1 month, you can make 60K. And we have a proven case study. So grab a hold of this course. It is really, really low price, but hey, amazing results. So just grab hold of it. And we just want you to be very, very profitable. Thank you and God bless you.